want to become a better teacher, and I want to help get rid of kids' misconceptions around topics in evolution. Even after 23 years of teaching, I know I can do a better job, and I'm always looking for better ways to do that. I would say the number one thing I do is I always first try to be a good listener to try to figure out exactly where their questioning might be coming from. And I try to be respectful of people's beliefs, and then always just reassure them that I'm not trying to change a child's beliefs, that I'm here to teach science, and I'm here to teach them a way of knowing about the world around them, and that they're two very separate things. And I always start off making sure kids have a good understanding of the nature of science and the limitations that science can, that any discipline has. There are certain limitations. I try to reassure students that, I can be in this classroom and I'll walk over to a window and say I can look out of this window with an appreciation for the beauty of the world and marvel at it and think perhaps there's a creator that did all of this. But I can also walk down a couple feet and look out another window and say, well, why are there all these different greens in the canopy of trees and the bushes? And well, I can explain that because I understand absorption of wavelengths, and I can explain things using science. But I'm still in the same classroom, I'm still in the same body, and I can view the world with the lens of both a religious belief as well as a scientific understanding. I'm excited to work with other teachers in my area to spread ideas and learn from them and get ideas from them, but really just to have a more meaningful impact in my local area for teaching evolution. Hi, my name is Coleen Swihart, and I'm from Beaverton, Oregon, which is a suburb outside of Portland, Oregon. I currently teach AP Biology. I will be teaching AP Environmental Science and Genetics, and I've taught just about every other life science class you can think of.